To program the LE transmitter to the system, you must first pair the remote. Push the function button and hold for about 10 seconds, ignoring the car indicator at 3 seconds, and wait for the transmit LED to light solid. Now push the remote start button for 1.5 seconds until you get 3 flashes. You are now paired and you can program the transmitter. Make sure a door of the vehicle is open. Turn the ignition on. Press the valet switch once and release it, and press it again and hold it. You'll get a single chirp out of the siren and press the lock button on the transmitter. And you'll get a confirmation chirp. Now you can let go of the valet switch, turn the ignition off, and test the system.